Hey Tim, trailer door is not shutting after being loaded and pulled from dock. What causes this?
Typically, it's an unsquared rear door frame. So typically what we would do here is pull that trailer up onto level ground and then try and shut the doors. We also have, in the past, pulled the trailer up onto a small 2x4
Okay.
on actually the opposite end of the way the trailer is leaning. So it actually squares out the doors into a better position to where you can hopefully shut the doors. Sometimes it depends on how they loaded it as well. So if we can't get them shut, then we might have to reposition the load as well.
So if I'm struggling to get those trailer doors shut, it's likely because I'm at an angle, potentially how they loaded it. So that's why getting on that on the level ground is so important.
That is correct, especially in a gravel parking lot.
Okay.
Make sure that the trailer tandems or wheels are not in a hole.
Okay.
Because that weight is going to shift that trailer and flex it to where it possibly could not shut the doors.
So I'm struggling with that. I'm going to try those few things. Is that if I can get the doors closed, life is good, my job is done? Or do I need to put that in my DVIR? Does it need to be fixed or is this truly a temporary issue?
No, if the doors are properly secured, both upper and lower latches, you're fine. You don't have to report that. It's typically just the way they load it or the way it's sitting in that particular parking
so it's not
area.
the trailer itself is
Correct.
truly damaged.